Hi, I'm César and I'm going to show you how you can adapt Qatium to your own needs using our software development kit. To do this, I'm going to highlight all the customers in the network with inadequate pressure. How can we do that? First, I'm going to gather all the customers in the network through the SDK with this function here. Then, I'm going to add a function that is going to tell us if the pressure of a customer is adequate or not, with a threshold that is good for our needs. And then finally, we're going to change the styles of the map. We're going to draw in green all the customers with adequate pressure and in red all the customers with inadequate pressure. So after saving, if I enable my plugin here, it looks like this. All the green ones have adequate pressure and all the red ones have inadequate pressure. Easy as that. Want to learn more? Check our SDK docs. You can find the link in the description and stay tuned for next episodes.